There, we're going to put the pumpkin to the car. Okay. It's here. Yeah, I'm going to grab the key. Hey, baby. Hi. Look at there, lots of pumpkin there. See? There's more there. Come on, let's go and see the pumpkin. See the pumpkin there? Oopsie. There, look at that. Look at that. Come on, let's go here. Come on. Come on, let's go. Want to go there? Kuya. There's Kuya, eh? You want that too? Yeah. Oops. Careful, sir.
Okay, I will keep careful.
Yeah. That's the horse. Horse. You want the horse? Here. Yeah, you go around. So we can grab the horse. Horse head. Yeah. You want? It's here.
Take a look.
Come on, let's go. Give some to Ading anak. Here. Here's the pumpkin patch. Puro orange. Ayan. Madami na ang tao, Eliezer. Kanina. Ngayon parang walang parking lot. Spot there. Tapos yung dalawa. Look at that. See? Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Good. Where's the day off? Thanks, Kuya. Oh, careful. You go grab a... Yeah, like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
No, let's keep walking. Follow down.
Hi, you like the pumpkin? Dirty. Anak. Pumpkin. Dami, oh. Yeah, you can just grab one. Yung kumukuha sila ng pumpkin. Kasama sa entrance. 2 pumpkin each. So kung dalawa kayo, bali 4 na pumpkin. Find something bigger.
How about this one? Mama.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good one.
How many do we get?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Can we get this one?
Maybe we go in the middle and find some bigger ones. Yan. Yeah, you can grab that. Oh, I think that one is good.
It's muddy.
It's muddy. Maybe the one that's not muddy. It's big. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yung may handle, anak. Ayan, kukuha siya ng pumpkin. Yeah, that one is good too. Come on, let's go find some pumpkin for you.
Yeah.
No? How come? You don't want pumpkin?
Huh? This is my first time going outside with baby pumpkin.
Didn't go last year, hey?
We didn't go.
There you go.
That's the second biggest. Huh?
There. Okay, let's put in the car. Can you do it, Eddie, sir? Just be careful, okay? Not to drop. Baby. Go to the car. Careful.
Where are we going to go?
To the car. I don't.
Do I have to pay this?
No, that's part of entrance. Okay. Is it broken?
No.
No. Yan yung pumpkin.
Baby's enjoying the ride.
I know. Yeah, we're going to put the pumpkin to the car. Okay. It's here. Yeah, I'm going to grab the key. There you go. We're stuffing the pumpkin in the car. Hey, bebe. Ito gusto ng ride.
This gives baby love.
Oh. Oh. Okay, go. Ow. Diyan, marami tayong pumpkin.